Henry Ford, the innovator who revolutionized the automobile industry. Henry Ford, born on July 30, 1863, in Greenfield Township, Michigan, is widely regarded as one of the most influential industrialists of the 20th century. As the founder of the Ford Motor Company, he revolutionized the automobile industry with his innovations in mass production and assembly line techniques. Ford's vision of making automobiles affordable for the average person transformed transportation and had a profound impact on American society and the global economy. Early life and background. 1. Family and early influences. Henry Ford was born to William Ford and Mary Litogut Ford, farmers of modest means. From a young age, Ford showed an aptitude for mechanics and engineering. He was fascinated by machinery and was known for dismantling and reassembling watches and other mechanical devices. Though education and early career, Ford attended a one-room schoolhouse and left home at 16 to work as an apprentice machinist in Detroit. His early work experiences provided him with valuable mechanical skills and insights into the burgeoning industrial sector. Pioneering the automobile industry. 1. Early ventures and failures. Ford's initial ventures in the automobile industry were met with limited success. His first company, the Detroit Automobile Company, failed due to the high cost and low quality of its vehicles. However, Ford's determination led him to learn from his mistakes and continue pursuing his vision of creating affordable cars. Though founding the Ford Motor Company, in 1903, Henry Ford founded the Ford Motor Company with the help of investors. The company's first successful car, the Model A, marked the beginning of Ford's journey to revolutionize the automobile industry. However, it was the introduction of the Model T in 1908 that truly transformed the industry. The Model T and mass production. 1. The Model T. The Model T, affectionately known as the Tin Lizzie, was designed to be a reliable, affordable, and easy-to-maintain vehicle for the average American. Priced initially at $850, the Model T's cost gradually decreased due to Ford's innovations in mass production, making it accessible to a broader segment of the population. Though the assembly line, one of Ford's most significant contributions was the development of the moving assembly line. Introduced in 1913 at the Highland Park Ford plant, the assembly line revolutionized manufacturing by significantly reducing the time and cost of production. This innovation allowed Ford to produce cars at an unprecedented scale and speed, further driving down costs and increasing accessibility. Impact on society and labor. 1. Fordism and economic impact. Ford's approach to mass production and his vision of paying his workers higher wages, known as Fordism, had a profound impact on the economy. In 1914, Ford introduced the $5 a day wage, doubling the average worker's pay and setting a new standard in the industry. This move not only improved workers' living standards but also stimulated consumer demand for automobiles. Though labor relations and practices, Ford's relationship with labor was complex. While he was praised for his high wages and improved working conditions, his anti-union stance and the strict control he exerted over his workforce were sources of controversy. The Battle of the Overpass in 1937, a violent confrontation between Ford's security and union organizers, highlighted the tensions between Ford and labor unions. Contributions to innovation and technology. 1. Technological advancements. Beyond the assembly line, Ford was an innovator in various aspects of automotive technology and production methods. He invested in research and development, leading to advancements in materials, engine design, and manufacturing processes. His commitment to innovation helped maintain Ford Motor Company's competitive edge in the industry. Though philanthropy and research, Ford established the Ford Foundation in 1936, which became one of the largest and most influential philanthropic organizations in the world. The foundation supported initiatives in education, public health, and scientific research, reflecting Ford's belief in the importance of technological progress and societal advancement. Later life and legacy. 1. World War II and post-war contributions. During World War II, Ford Motor Company shifted its focus to support the war effort, producing military vehicles, aircraft, and equipment. The company's contribution to the war effort underscored Ford's belief in the importance of industrial capability for national security. Though legacy and influence, Henry Ford passed away on April 7, 1947, but his legacy endures. His innovations in mass production and assembly line techniques revolutionized manufacturing processes across various industries. The Ford Motor Company remains a global automotive leader, and Ford's impact on society, labor practices, and industrialization is deeply ingrained in modern economic and manufacturing practices. Theme: Cultural impact. Ford's influence extends beyond the automobile industry. His vision of affordable, mass-produced goods transformed consumer culture and set the stage for the modern era of mass consumption. Ford's story is a testament to the power of innovation, determination, and the ability to effect profound change in society. Henry Ford's life and work revolutionized the automobile industry and had a lasting impact on the global economy and society. His pioneering innovations in mass production, commitment to making automobiles accessible to the masses, and influence on labor practices have left an indelible mark on history. Ford's legacy as an industrialist, innovator, and visionary continues to inspire generations, underscoring the transformative power of technology and entrepreneurship.